Looking to shed a few pounds or simply maintain a healthy weight? What if I told you there's a simple food that could boost your metabolism, keep you feeling full, and help you manage weight effortlessly? Today, we're diving into the top 5 reasons sprouts are perfect for weight management, and you won't want to miss the #1 benefit at the end. We're diving deep into the incredible world of sprouts and uncovering the top 5 reasons why these nutritional powerhouses deserve a place on your plate. These aren't your average salad toppers. We're talking about a powerhouse of nutrients packed into a tiny package, ready to supercharge your weight management journey. Get ready to be amazed as we break down each benefit, revealing how sprouts can help you achieve your health goals. And trust me, you won't want to miss the #1 reason why sprouts are a weight management warrior. So stay tuned. Starting with number 5, this food has a low glycemic index. Now, what exactly does that mean, and why is it important for weight management? Foods with a low glycemic index release glucose more slowly and steadily into the bloodstream. This helps prevent spikes and crashes in your blood sugar, which can lead to increased hunger and overeating. When your blood sugar is stable, your body is less likely to store fat because it's not dealing with those rapid insulin spikes that trigger fat storage. More importantly, low glycemic foods also help maintain your energy levels throughout the day. Think about it. When you eat something high in sugar, you get that quick burst of energy, but then crash soon after, leading to cravings and more snacking. By choosing foods that have a low glycemic index, like the one we're talking about today, you can keep your energy steady and reduce those midday cravings that sabotage weight management. By keeping your blood sugar stable, you're giving your body a better chance to manage weight effectively. Next up, we've got number 4. This food is low in calories, but packed with essential nutrients. What makes this so important for weight management? Many diets fail because people feel deprived or hungry all the time. With this food, you can fill your plate without worrying about racking up calories. It's a food you can eat in abundance without sabotaging your weight loss goals. Plus, it's not just about being low in calories. What really sets this food apart is its nutrient density. While you're cutting calories, you're still getting a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants your body needs to stay healthy and energized. So instead of cutting back on food and feeling weak or tired, you're giving your body what it needs to function optimally, making it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan. With this food, you can eat more while consuming fewer calories, making it easier to stay on track with your weight management goals without feeling deprived. Now let's look at how it can help maintain muscle and burn fat. If you found this content helpful and wish to see more similar content, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us create more valuable videos for you. Thank you. Now let's talk about protein, the building block of our bodies. And while sprouts might not be the first food that comes to mind when you think of protein, they actually pack a surprising punch. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, and it plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy weight. Why? Because protein helps you feel fuller for longer, preventing those midday cravings that can sabotage your weight loss efforts. Think of protein as a long-lasting source of energy that keeps your hunger at bay. When you consume enough protein, your body releases hormones that signal fullness, reducing the urge to overeat. But that's not all. Protein is also essential for maintaining muscle mass, which is particularly important as we age. Muscle burns more calories than fat, even at rest, so maintaining muscle mass can help boost your metabolism and make weight management easier. Now, while sprouts might not be as protein-packed as, say, a chicken breast, they still provide a valuable amount of this essential nutrient, especially when combined with other protein sources in your diet. So don't underestimate the power of sprouts as a source of protein. They can contribute to your daily protein intake, helping you stay full, maintain muscle mass, and support your weight management goals. Remember, every little bit counts when it comes to protein, and incorporating sprouts into your diet is an easy and delicious way to boost your intake and reap the benefits. Now, moving on to number 2. This food contains active enzymes that help boost your metabolism. Enzymes are crucial for digestion. They help break down food into the nutrients your body can absorb and use for energy. When your digestion is efficient, your body can convert food into energy more effectively, which means fewer calories are stored as fat. But it's not just about digestion. These enzymes also help your body use calories more efficiently, essentially speeding up your metabolism. A faster metabolism means your body burns calories at a higher rate, even when you're not exercising. So if you're looking to boost your body's natural calorie burning ability, adding enzyme-rich foods to your diet is a smart strategy. This food is a natural source of those enzymes, making it an easy and effective way to support weight management without extra effort. These active enzymes are like a natural metabolism booster, helping your body burn calories more effectively. But we're not done yet. The number one reason is coming up, and it's a real game changer for weight management. And finally, the number one reason why this food is perfect for weight management: fiber. Fiber is like your body's secret weapon when it comes to feeling full and satisfied after meals. Foods that are high in fiber take longer to digest, meaning they help keep you feeling full for longer periods. When you're not constantly hungry, it's so much easier to avoid overeating or reaching for unhealthy snacks. But fiber isn't just about keeping hunger in check. It's also essential for good digestive health, which plays a key role in weight management. A healthy digestive system helps your body process food more efficiently, absorb nutrients better, and eliminate waste more effectively. So not only does fiber help you feel full, but it also ensures your digestion is running smoothly, which can directly impact your ability to manage weight. Plus, this food is an excellent source of fiber, making it an absolute must for anyone serious about weight management. With its high fiber content, this food keeps you full longer and supports healthy digestion, making weight management so much easier. And that wraps up our top 5 reasons. So, there you have it. These tiny nutritional powerhouses are true weight loss warriors. I encourage you to give sprouts a try and see the difference for yourself. Hope you've enjoyed the content, and we hope to see you in the next video.